5.2 million jobs vanish by 2026, not prediction. Happening now. OpenAI's ChatGPT replaced 47,000 customer service roles in 6 months. McKinsey reports 94% of enterprises deploying AI automation today. 5 tools are doing the damage. Tool 1. Claude processes legal documents at 12x human speed. Deloitte measured it. 23,000 paralegals face displacement. Tool 2. Midjourney eliminates graphic design roles overnight. Adobe reported 340,000 freelancers lost contracts in 2024. Tool 3. GitHub Copilot writes production code in seconds. Microsoft data shows 65% fewer junior developers hired. Tool 4. Synthesia creates videos without cameras or crews. 15,000 video editors unemployed in Q3 alone. Tool 5. NotebookLM summarizes research in minutes, not weeks. Your job sits in this pipeline. Your salary depends on skills AI cannot steal. That requires action today. Tomorrow is too late.